In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create animated buttons using CSS. Okay, buttons like this. Now when you click, you can see the pressed effect. You click and behaves as if you're pressing it down. Okay, so we're going to achieve this right away. I'm going to quickly close this out. I'm going to take this out. Okay, now I'm going to do a save as and save our file index.html. Save this on the desktop, so click on save and we have it here. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do this. So first we'll define our document type. Course is HTML, and next we are going to bring in our head tag. And after that we'll define our meta type. So I'm going to say meta name is viewport. Okay, content is equal to width equal to device width. Okay, and initial scale will be 1. Initial scale is equal to 1. Okay, initial scale is 1. So next we're going to start our styling, CSS styling. I'll introduce the style tag, style. Now first class here we'll call it button, so bring in the button class, say dot button. Okay, so styling the button first, giving it the effect that I would want, the press effect. So I'm going to pad it. I'm going to say padding 15 pixel by 25 pixel. Next, font size, the font size 24 pixel. Okay, I'm going to align test. So test align center, cursor type pointer. Okay, so next I'm going to bring in the outline. I don't need any, so I'm going to say outline none. Okay, on the font color I need it to be white, so I'm going to say color white. Okay, the background color, we're going to give it a background color. I need it to be green. Okay, need the background color to be green. I'll do a quick edit. I need okay, I think I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this. Fine. So next I'm going to ignore the border, so I'm going to see border, border none. Okay, border is none, and defining the radius for the border, so I'm going to say border radius I'm going to leave it at 15 pixel. And box shadow effect. Okay, for the box shadow, I'm going to have the dimension at 0.9 pixel. Okay, give it a color somewhat gray color. Okay, now there's the color we have, that's gray. So next I'm going to style the hover effect of the button, and to do that quickly I'm going to say our class, which is the button class dot button hover, the hover effect. I define a background color for this. Okay, background color. Okay, I'm going to, okay, let me see, give it a color 8E41. I can do a quick edit. This is a light green color, so I'm going to quickly edit this, make it a bit lighter. Okay, I think I'm fine with this. And next we're going to define the active feature for the button. Whenever the button is active, how do we want this to appear? I'm going to take this out. Okay, so to do that I'm going to say dot button active. Okay, first I'm going to define the background color for this when it is active. Okay, I'm going to say background color. Of course I'm going to also use this color, so I'm going to take this and put it right here. Okay, the background color, so I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to bring in the box shadow effect. Okay, and the dimension I'm going to use for this, I'm going to say 0.5 pixel, and I'll give it this color. Okay, and I'm going to close this out here, and this is the color we have, also grayish but a bit dark. So I'm going to transform this. When it's active I need to transform, and I'll bring in translate effect. To do that I'm going to say transform. I'll say translate with a capital Y, and I'll bring in a bracket. Okay, so I'm going to say translate by 4 pixel. Okay, so we'll have our semicolon. Okay, so we're done styling. We'll have our style tag closed here. Okay, fine. We're going to bring in our HTML content just after the head tag closed. So to do that I will say body. Okay, I'm going to say body, so I'll bring in tag h2, introduce the title here. I'll say animated buttons. Okay, and now I'm bringing in a button proper. I'm going to say button and also assigning the class to it as defined above. Now code, and I'll say call it button as named above, and can now quickly say click to see, or I'll say click me. Okay, I'll say click me, and this is it. We have our body, and we have to close the HTML tag, not forgetting that. Okay, so the HTML tag is closed. I think we have an error here. Now I'm going to quickly go up and see. Okay, we did not open up the HTML, so I'm going to say HTML here. Okay, fine, so we should be fine here. Good, so we are fine. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through this, and once done, I'm going to save, and I'll open this up. Okay, so here we go, and this is what we have. Now when we click, we hover, and when I click, you can see the press effect taking place. Okay, so this is how you create an animated button using CSS. Not forgetting to take note of this, very important, the transform feature. Okay, and this transforms whatever we have here and have it appear as if we are pressing the button. So guys, you can practice around this, and thank you, as I'll see you in my next video. Bye.